For the solve part of your assignment, you need to pick 3 to 6 foods and drinks. For this example, I've got a milkshake and a meat pie. Now, the milkshake has a few ingredients and some items. For the meat pie, it's just one item, one ingredient. So we'll start with the milkshake. What you'll need to do is go on Google and research how much the quantity of the bulk. In this case, that makes sense to buy things in bulk so you can save some money. So let's say you did some research and you found 3 liters of milk, 4 liters of ice cream, 600 mils of syrup, and all of these things. You did the research and you found out that it costs that much cents. So in the end, we will convert our value to dollars. Now, what you also have to research is how much of milk goes in a milkshake, how much ice cream goes in one milkshake. So you do that research and you find out that those are the quantities. Now, once you've done that, you need to do some calculations. Now, to find out the cost per milkshake, over here in Excel, every time you put a formula, you'll start with the equal sign. And for this, we will say we'll get the ratio of the quantity per milkshake over the bulk amount, and we'll multiply that by the cost. And you can do that you can drag the formula down for all the items there. Now, once you've done that, it'd be silly to find out how much profit you would make on milk and how much GST there'd be on just the milk and ice cream. So what we'll do is we'll get the total of the cost of the milkshake. So we'll go equals sum. And so the total of my milkshake costs 190 cents around. So from there, you can decide what your selling price is. So maybe a milkshake goes for about $6.50 maybe. So I'll make it 650 cents. Now to calculate the profit, it's going to be the selling price minus the cost of the milkshake. So I'll go equals, I'll click on the selling price minus cost of the milkshake, hit enter. Now we'll calculate GST on the selling price. So GST is 10%. So we can just go 0.1, which is 10 over 100. That's 10% off. So times the selling price. And so I know GST is 65. Okay. Then we want to know what the selling price is including GST. So we'll just add GST onto the selling price. So we'll go equals selling price plus GST. Now we've got that. Now GST is calculated over here, but it's not included in your profits because that is a tax. Now, percentage profit, to calculate that, we need to do the profit over the initial cost of the milkshake, and we'll multiply that by 100. So we know the percentage markup we've got there is about 250%. That's usually the case with drinks. You do the meat pie the same way. You get the bulk size, how much you'd buy it. You don't have to get it in bulk, but let's say you get it from Coles or wherever you can find it, and those are the amounts you find. Cost per pie, this one should be straightforward. We know we've got 4 pies, they cost $9.50, so we'll just do $9.50 divided by 4, and we've got that. Selling price, we can use the same formula. Now you could drag this down. Selling price, we do have to pick what that is. Let's say you'll sell your pies for $5. We've got that. and then the formulas you run the same way. Okay, hope this helps.